Hello friends, baby animals are some of the most adorable creatures in the world. With their tiny paws, fluffy fur and innocent eyes, they can melt anyone's heart. Baby animals are naturally curious, playful and full of energy as they explore the world around them. Whether it's a playful puppy, a cuddly kitten, or a wobbly duckling, these little ones bring a joy and warmth to our lives. Watching them grow and learn is a heartwarming experience. No matter the species, baby animals remind us of the beauty and innocence of nature. Dear friends, here we will discuss about 10 cutest baby animals. Number 10. Baby Elephant. Baby elephants are some of the most adorable and playful creatures in the animals kingdom, with their big floppy ears, tiny trunk and chubby bodies. They look absolutely lovable. These little giants love to explore, splash in water and playful chase after the herd members. They are very social animals, staying close to their mothers and family for protection. And learning. Watching a baby elephant stumble around trumpet with excitement or uses its tongue in a funny way is simple heartwarming. Number 9. Fawns or baby deers. Fawns or baby deer are some of the most delicate and adorable animals in the world. With their big gentle eyes, soft fur and white spotted coats, they look like they belong in a fairy tale. These tiny creatures are born with long, wobbly legs but quickly learn to walk and run. Fawns are very shy and often stay hidden in the grass while their mothers search for food. Their innocence and grace make them truly enchanting to watch. Number 8. Baby monkeys. Baby monkeys are playful, curious and full of energy. With their tiny hands, expressive eyes and fluffy fur, they are absolutely adorable. These little ones love to cling to their mothers, swing from trees and explore their surroundings with excitement. They are intelligent and quick learners, often mimicking the actions of adult monkeys. Whether they are cuddling, playing, or making funny faces, baby monkeys never fail to bring smiles to those who watch them. Number 7. Otter pups. Otter pups are some of the cutest and most playful baby animals, with their soft fur, tiny paws and bright eyes. They love to splash around the water and cuddle with their mothers. These adorable little swimmers often float on their back and even hold hands while sleeping to stay together. Otter pups are naturally curious and energetic, making them a joy to watch as they learn to swim and play. Their sweet and playful nature makes them truly irresistible. Number 6. Hedgehog babies or hoglets. Hedgehog babies, also known as the hoglets, are tiny, round and absolutely adorable. Despite their little spikes, they are soft and delicate when they These tiny creatures have tiny noses, bright eyes and short legs that make them look like living plush toys. Hoglets love to curl up into a tiny ball when they feel shy or sleepy. As they grow, they become more curious and playful, exploring their surroundings with their tiny snouts. Their cuteness is simply irresistible. Number 5. Baby pandas. Baby pandas are tiny, fluffy, and incredibly adorable. Born pink and hairless, they grow into soft black and white fur balls. These playful little cubs love to roll around, climb trees, and cuddle with their mothers. They are curious and mischievous, often tumbling over while exploring their surroundings. With their round faces, chubby bodies, and clumsy movements, baby pandas never fail to melt hearts. Watching them play and grow is an absolutely delight. Number 4. Ducklings. Ducklings are tiny, fluffy, and full of energy. With their soft yellow feathers, tiny webbed feet, and adorable waddles, they are simply irresistible. These little babies love to follow their mother in a neat line, swim in the water, and explore their surroundings. They chirp sweetly and flap their tiny wings as they learn to move around. Watching ducklings splash and playful is heartwarming sight that bring pure joy. Number 3. Kittens. Kittens are tiny, playful, and absolutely adorable. With their soft fur, tiny paws, and curious eyes, they melt hearts instantly. These little fluff balls love to chase after toys, pounce and anything that moves, and snuggle up when they are sleepy. Their gentle purring and cute little meows make them even more lovable. Whether they are exploring, playing, or just napping, kittens bring joy and warmth to everyone around them. Number 2. Puppies. Puppies are bundles of joy, full of energy, love, and cuteness. With their tiny paws, wagging tails, and bright eyes, they melt hearts instantly. These playful little furballs love to run around, chew on toys, and cuddle up when they are sleepy. Their happy barks and excited jumps show just how much they loving being around people, whether they are learning new tricks or simply giving sloppy kisses. Puppies bring endless happiness and warmth to anyone. Number 1. Bunnies. Bunnies are tiny, fluffy, and absolutely adorable. With their soft fur, twitching noses, and long ears, they look like little balls of cuteness. These gentle creatures love to hop around, nibble on veggies, and snuggle up in cozy spots. Their playful jumps, called binkies, show just how happy they are. Whether they are exploring, cuddling, or simply wiggling their tiny noses, bunnies always bring joy and warmth to those around them. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this informative video, please subscribe my channel to obtain World Series.